What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a very simple method to make up to $100 a day online and completely passive. And once you have got that much amount, you can retain them and make that money again and again without doing that effort again and again. Okay? So now, if you are new to the channel, if you want more videos on making money online, you can go below the video and hit the subscribe button now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can really welcome you to the channel, because I am very much excited that you are now here. Okay, so now without being delayed, let's move to the topic. What you need to do, you need to go to the Instagram. You do not need any following and nothing like that. You need to find big accounts like which are having following over $100,000 or even a million. Okay, what you need to do, just reach out to them. There you can see that they are posting about twice a day or once a day every single day. So what do you think, are they posting themselves? They are not posting themselves, they are just hiring someone to do so. Okay, so what you can do, you can see over here Millionaire Mentor, and this guy is posting at least one post every single day. So do you think he has enough time to create all these quotes and do these kinds of things? Okay, he is absolutely not having a time. He is generally having kinds of he has hired some guy, he has hired some guys who can do this for you. Literally, how they are gonna to do this, they are gonna to pay him about $100, just like for every single day they are gonna to create one post and they are gonna to post on his page. Okay, just let me just show you. For example, Millionaire Mentor is paying about $100. Okay, for every single for on monthly basis, or even you can charge about $200 or even $300 for this stuff. It's bare minimum $100. Okay, you can reach out to these guys and ask them that you are going to create these posts for a month, for a week, for free, because they are having some kinds of clients, they are having some kinds of VAs, virtual assistant, who are doing so. So you can ask them that you are going to do this for 7 day free, so that you are going to create a value, you are giving value to them, and after that they are going to interact with them. So what is the thing will happen, they are going to come back to you and they are going to tell him that I'm going to pay you over $100, and you just need to do this for me every single for whole of the month, year, or whatever. And once you have got that clients, you are having those clients for absolutely lifetime, till their account is over there. Okay, now how you can create this post and how you can automate this business. Okay, what you need to do, just go to the Google and type over their quotes. You'll find tons and tons of posts. Just change a little bit the quotes over here. For example, you are finding a loyal person is always better than a loyal person, whatever it is, a royal person. You just need to change a little bit the text over here, and you can just go to the canva.com, click on more over here. You'll find the Instagram post. Just go over there and create posts like this. Okay, you just take about 5 minutes a day, and that means you are just giving 2 hours every single month and getting about $100. That means $50 per hour. And now how you can automate this business completely. After you are having some of the clients, you can reach out, go to the fiverr.com, and there you can find these guys. But if it might be kind of it might be expensive for you, what you can do, you can hire hire an assistant, a real assistant, not virtual assistant, because virtual assistants sometimes charge a high amount of fees. You can hire a guy and you can tell him how he can create the stuff, and you just need to pay him $100 every single month. Okay, here $100 every single month. Okay, and you are making over a bunch of money from here. You are paying $100 to create a account, just like you have got 10 clients like Millionaire Mentor. You are making over $1,000. You can pay this guy over $100 out of $1,000, so you are making $900 on complete autopilot. That's the thing you need to do. That it's that simple. You just do not need anything over here. Okay, so this was very simple, and you can literally start making money with no money at all. Okay, so if you want more videos like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button now, And if you do not want to miss any of my video, then also press the subscribe, also press the bell icon. Okay, and at last, thanks for watching.